Hello and welcome to Dojo Challenges. Today I'm going to be completing a task called 100 doors. If you would like to read the task, please pause the video. Once you have read the task, create a new class called doors, make a main function, and I'm going to make another method for our program logic. This is going to be static, the return type is going to be void, and we're going to call this method for simplicity. It takes no arguments. The first thing we are going to do is make a few variables. We're going to make a Boolean array called doors, or door. We're going to set this equals to a new Boolean array of size 100. Then we're going to create a first loop. We're going to create a for loop for our first walkthrough. This for loop is for 100 passes. For int I equals 0, I less than our doors dot length, increment I. Then we're going to make a second for loop for one pass. So we're passing 100 doors 100 times. So that's 2 times, or 100 times 100 doors passed, which we are completing with these two for loops. Int j equals 0. J is less than door dot length, increment j. Now we're going to need a condition. If this condition is satisfied, then we're going to toggle. The condition is going to be shown in an if statement. And so if j plus 1, the reason we're adding 1 is that j starts from 0, but the doors are going to be numbered from 1 to 100. So we're going to have to add 1 to j to reach these numbers not from 0 to 99, but from 1 to 100. So if j plus 1, and this is the remainder operator, and now we're going to have to add a new variable called step. And if this is equals to 0, I'm going to add the step variable. This is going to be an integer equals to 0. And we're going to be incrementing this step inside our first for loop, like so. And then we're going to make our toggle an if loop for how to toggle the door. So we're going to be toggling it here. If door at position j is equals to false, then we're going to set door at position j equals to true. Else, now the first option was false, so in other cases it's going to be for true. So else, in else cases, which is for us true, we're going to set door at position j equals to false. something weird happened. Alright. So door at position j is equal to false. Very well. Now outside our double for loop, we're just going to I equals 0. We're going to iterate through our Boolean array. And we're going to do the following. We're just going to print door at position I. And this is going to be a true or false. And just so we would number this each line, we're going to add I plus 1. And this is just for numbering our yes, here we are numbering our lines. We're going to put a tab between the line numbers and our true or false. And we're also going to add a counter. We don't have a statement. If door at position I is indeed equals to true, this is going to be counting. Then we're going to increment this open variable. I'm going to make our open variable set it equals to 0. And at the end, this is going to count how many of the doors are open at the end. And I'm also going to print out number of, I should put that in quotation marks, number of open doors. Concatenate open. Alright, I think we should be done. Let's run this program. I forgot to call my method. Excellent. Alright. Now, the number of open doors are 10. And as you can see, the doors which are going to open finally happen to be square numbers. That's 16 and 25, and the next one should be 36, and so on. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and see you in the next one.